Escape to 111-plus-acre North Carolina family compound, where rolling pastures, a stocked pond, scenic river frontage, and miles of private trails create the feeling of your own countryside resort hidden in the heart of the Triad. As you pass through the gated entrance and follow the tree-lined drive, the outside world quickly fades away. Open fields stretch across the landscape. Mature hardwoods and towering pines provide complete privacy, and a network of established roads and trails invites you to explore every corner of the property. It feels less like arriving at a home and more like discovering a destination designed around nature, recreation, and peaceful living. One of the first outdoor features to capture your attention is the stocked pond. Complete with its own dock and gazebo, it's the kind of place where mornings begin with coffee by the water and evenings end watching the sunset reflect across the surface. Whether you enjoy fishing, relaxing in the shade, or gathering with family and friends, this setting naturally becomes part of everyday life. As you venture deeper into the property, you'll discover one of its most remarkable features, a picturesque stretch of the Uwharrie River winding through the landscape. Overlooking the river sits a custom-built cabin tucked among the trees, offering an unforgettable retreat setting. With a proven history as a luxury vacation rental, it provides endless possibilities as a guest escape, income-producing opportunity, or your own private sanctuary. The land itself offers incredible versatility. Rolling pastures and fenced areas create an ideal setup for horses and livestock, while wooded sections and scenic trails provide opportunities for hiking, ATV riding, wildlife watching, and outdoor adventure. Barns and corral facilities are already in place, supporting everything from equestrian pursuits to working farm operations. At the center of the estate sits the updated main residence, complemented by a pool house, and newly completed guest quarters that expand the property's functionality even further. Private yet conveniently located just minutes from Asheboro and within easy reach of Greensboro, Winston-Salem, and Charlotte, this property offers the rare balance of seclusion and accessibility.